everybody first wants to know, with all the seismic activity along the Pacific coast, does this potentially mean that the big one is coming?
Well, nobody knows for sure. We can't predict earthquakes, sadly. There's a lot of concern that this region is due for a big one, this part of Chile. Quakes in California and Chile are connected by the Ring of Fire. They're all along the Pacific, but it's really hard to draw a connection between ones that far apart.
We'll talk about the Ring of Fire, specifically what that means to that entire area. What parts are affected, just so we know?
Well, it's more of a horseshoe stretching from South America all the way to Alaska and down to Indonesia. And what you basically have is the Pacific Ocean's crust spreading out and smacking into the continents along the edges there. And where that happens, you have mountains and volcanoes and earthquakes. And so earthquakes are happening along here all the time. 90% of all earthquakes are along the Ring of Fire, which gets its name from all the volcanoes, obviously. And 80% of the big ones happen along here.
Now, 8.2, clearly a massive earthquake. By comparison, some of the worst quakes in California are down there in the 6s. But help us understand, what would happen if an 8.2 earthquake hit Los Angeles or San Diego or San Francisco?
Oh my, it would be horrific. Estimates in Los Angeles, for example, a 7.5 magnitude, which is less, right? You would have upwards of $250 billion of damage there, hundreds of thousands of people displaced from their homes, tens of thousands of people homeless, thousands of fatalities. That sort of thing. That's the key point you're getting at, is where it happens matters almost as much as how powerful it is. If something happens in the wrong place, then you have a real disaster.
The one thing you always want to know is, will there be tremors that send some sort of a warning, sort of a pre-shock as opposed to an aftershock?
You don't know for sure until after the big one happens. There's some shakes before this one. There were some magnitude 6 quakes that led up to this one, and there's been magnitude 5 ones or so afterwards. We can't give people a lot of warning of these quakes. There are some demonstration efforts that gave a few seconds of warning. One's coming, the one that happened last week in California, for example, or recently in California. But no, we don't have a great method of sending out instant warnings that can do more than a few seconds of heads up.
Right.